Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. You know we do this for free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly heat,
Heat.
baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from March 16th to March 22nd. This March is heating up just like February. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So as you know, the Union did already release its Jordan 1 Union. However, it is coming to Nike sneaker app. So if you didn't get a chance to cop, you will have a second chance to cop. These will be releasing on March 18th, the Jordan 1 High Unions. This is a unique shoe because it does feature that beautiful Chicago lower half at the bottom and that shadow Jordan 1 at the top. Predominantly the shoe is white wrapped around with that Chicago red that we all love. It does have that black swoosh on the side. It does have extra materials. What I like about this, if you notice real close at the edge, you can see that yellow that's kind of protruding out. And what I do like about this shoe is they did provide you with the yellow laces to make the shoe pop a little bit more. As you see, it is sewn in together with that light blue stitching to match the top. On the side panels, we do see that the Jordan 1 Shadow in gray does feature that Air Jordan Wings logo that we are accustomed to seeing too. Overall, this is the clean shoe in my opinion. And if you do not have any Chicago 1 lows or highs in your collection, I think this one might be a good shoe to have. This is a collaboration, and the price point for this shoe is only going for $200. So I do think that's a steal, being that it is a collaboration. The shoe is reselling for pretty good. So if you want these, we wish you the best of luck. I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I, you know what? This may be my second pair of ones dropping, and I don't know if they just had a some material left over and say, you know what? We got this left over. We got this left over. Let's go ahead and put this.
Yes,
Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, March 18th, we do have a collaboration with Nike Skateboard and Air Jordan 4 Navy. Price point for those are going for $225. This is a skateboard shoe. I'm really liking this shoe. I'm really loving that navy, right? I just wish Jordan Brand would have did something with the laces. I always say that, and I'm gonna keep saying that, right? When you do have an all-white shoe, throw in a color. Hey, flip the laces, Jordan Brand. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you agree with that, to flip the laces. But I'm really liking this shoe. I'm liking what they did with the outsole, with the gum bottom. I'm really liking that. One thing, would they go with the red Jumpman on this shoe, on the tongue? That really didn't make any sense to me. It got to be something, a meaning behind that. So if you do know what that meaning is to go with that red Jumpman on the tongue, hey, drop us a comment down below to inform my brother and I what that meaning is. But I'm really liking this shoe. I like it how they incorporated that gray suede on the overlay. We'll be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
We'll be rocking these as well. I do think this is a nice shoe. I do like that navy blue. Of course, my team is the Houston Texas, which is red, navy, and white and blue. I do think that this shoe, it'll be nice to rock with some Houston Texas gear. Maybe I'll throw in some red laces just to give it that red, white, and blue effect. And that red will make it match the Jordan Jumpman. Again, I don't understand, like you said, why they would chose the red. Well, let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. This shoe does remind me of another shoe as well. This shoe reminds me of the military blues that released last year. However, it's just slightly a different blue. And the reason why I say that is because around the toe box, it does have the suede, which does remind me a lot of the Air Jordan 4 military blues. However, one of the biggest difference between this shoe is that Nike tab on the back. This one has the Nike SB, and we know as the other one had the Nike Air on the branding on the back. Well, let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe of the week. This is the Jordan 1 Low Obsidian. This will be coming out in a full family size. Men's pair will be at $140. It does have that OG branding on the back. GS pairs will be selling for $120. Little kids, aka babies, will be coming out at $75. Toddlers and infants at $65. Overall, this is just a simple shoe. This does take its color blocking from the Jordan 1 High Obsidians, and now it's finally coming out in a low. I do not think these are coming out at a good time because as you see, some of the nicer colorways, such as the Barons and the Game Royals, they're all performing on the retail. And I do see this shoe performing on the retail as well. I like the colorway, so I will be rocking these. However, I won't be going for these because I have too many UNC colorways that look like this shoe. But we'll get into that in another video. But overall, this is the white shoe. It does have that blue at the front, the navy blue, which I do like. It does have that navy blue swoosh on the side. As we move around to the back, we see that UNC blue, which I do love. We see that Wings logo in blue as well. Move around to the bottom of the shoe. Nothing special there, just all blue and navy blue at the bottom. They could have done a little bit more pop, put some more UNC colorway to make the shoe pop at the bottom, but I'm not mad at that because no one looks at the bottom. Now this can go either way. We do see some color laces in here. However, this is some blue laces, which doesn't really make the shoe pop too much. I don't know if they would come with that any extra laces, but I see these looking better with maybe some UNC blue laces to make the shoe pop a little bit more. However, they kept it simple and clean by keeping the navy blue laces in there, so I'm not mad at that. Looking at the toe tag, we do see that Nike Air in that UNC blue, and we can see that sock liner in blue as well with that UNC blue and Nike Air on the insoles. Overall, this is a clean shoe. I am rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what, my brother? I will be rocking those as well, but I wish they would have incorporated the Carolina laces with that, because I mean, if you look at it, that navy blue is overpowering that shoe, right? I think just having that Carolina blue and the laces would have balanced the shoe out somewhat, right? The shoe, I mean, it's a clean shoe, but I mean, if you're looking to balance the shoe out, I'm thinking to slap those Carolina laces in there, it would have brought some balance to the shoe. But overall, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
Peace.
Peace.